Glossies, I'm Chelsea Mitchell and I've been a subscriber for Glossybox for 3 years now. The one thing that I love about being a subscriber is the try before you buy element. So what I mean by that is you get an affordable box full of products that you can try before you effectively buy them full price from any retailer or their website. And it's not only high-end products, it's products that you wouldn't necessarily try before, and it gives you that affordability to make sure you're watching what you're spending. And as a mum, I like to watch what I spend and not waste money on products that might not be good for me. So this is the reason why I love Glossybox. The main benefits that you can get with subscribing with Glossybox is you can earn Glossy credits. And what these are is effectively money that you can earn by filling in the surveys from the monthly boxes or limited editions that you purchase. Not only can you then spend it on glossy boxes like the limited editions or their yearly advent calendar, you can actually spend it across their merchandise, their glossy skincare, and also on Look Fantastic where you connect your accounts. This is a great way for you to get back with your spending. Best way that you can earn these credits is by doing the surveys. So I'll show you how you do that. On my account, when you're online, if you press my account, on the side here you'll see surveys. You click view all, and depending on what box it is you have received, you will get the options to then review them. So first of all, I'm going to review the Elemis Rose Cleansing Balm that we received in the Mother's Day box, and it states, so I'm going to get 25p just to review this one product. So have you purchased a product from Elemis before? I have not, because I wasn't sure about it. So it's great that I was able to try that. What attracts you to Elemis brand? And I'd say for me, so you get the proven results, price, innovative products, good for skin, vegan, cruelty-free, free of harsh ingredients. So you can select all that apply for you. So personally, I like that it's vegan, cruelty-free, free of harsh ingredients, and it's good for the skin. That's what I like about it, because it does have that element in it. After testing the Elemis Cleansing Balm, how likely you are to purchase the product or another product from a wider Elemis range? I'm very likely, because I was very happy with the product. Which factors most influence your purchase decisions? Please select why. So it gives you the options: friend, family recommendation, advertising, blogger recommendation, celebrities, in-store experience. For me, I like friend and family recommendations, and I also like blogger recommendations and great advertising. Personally, I don't follow celebrities much just because everyone's got a different skin and you just don't know what you'll like. For the next makeup purchase, would you go on to buy a product from the Elemis range? Personally, yes, I would. And lastly, would you like to see another Elemis product in the future in the Glossybox? Yes. You submit. And it also states here that for an extra 25p that you can earn, so I earned 50p on that product, I can write a review on the product. So for I get 75p for reviewing one product. Personally, and then also it gives you the chance, when you do that, it enters you to the chance to win £100 in Glossybox vouchers, which again you can spend on limited edition boxes, their advent calendars, their skincare, their merchandise. It's just fantastic. So I've still got all this, so I'll go through it all for you. The Sanctuary Spa, so I've got, in these alone, I've got £4.25 to earn. Sanctuary Spa, Wellness, Sleep Mist. Have you heard of Sanctuary Spa before? I have. If you have purchased from Sanctuary Spa before, where did you buy your products? I actually bought it off sanctuaryspa.com before. How satisfied were you with the product? I loved it. Which skincare brands do you currently use? So I've used Rituals. I also use another product which is not on here, but for me, I use Rituals. So we'll put next. Would you like to see another Sanctuary Spa product? I would, because it was very delightful. How likely are you to buy this product following the testing sample? Very likely. So this was a pillow mist and it was absolutely fantastic. Do you think the retail price of the full product, £12, is good value for money? Yes, because it lasts. So that's a definite yes. Which factor most influences your purchase decisions? Again, this is to do so family, friend recommendation, advertising, bloggers, celebrities, price and product quality. For me, definitely family, friends, advertising, blogger recommendation, and product quality. Prices depends, but you really just want that product quality for me. How often do you buy sleep mists? I don't often buy it, maybe twice a year. Would you recommend a wellness sleep mist to a friend? Yes. Submit. I earned 50p from that. And now what I'm going to do is write a review and I get an extra 25p. So again, you would go into, I'm going to give it 5-star. Have you heard of Bumble and Bumble before receiving it? Yes. If you have purchased from Bumble before, where did you buy it? So I've actually seen it in Boots. Which hair care brands do you currently use? So I don't use any here. So I'm going to pick other, because you could pick other and enter your response. I use Phil Smith products. How satisfied were you with the product? I liked it, but I won't repurchase just because I don't think it's for me. I have really fine hair and it was just a bit heavy for my hair. But that is what I'm going to write. What is your favourite aspect of the product? I guess for me, it was the packaging was lovely. Would you like to see another Bumble and Bumble product? The answer for me is yes. I'd like to see what else they have. How likely are you to buy this product following a tested example? Not likely, just because for me it wasn't that. And don't feel that you need to like every product. Be truthful, because Glossybox like it when we're really honest with them, and that's what we're here to do. So not likely, and wasn't for me. Weighed my hair down. For your next hair care purchase, would you like to go and buy a product from Bumble? To be honest, I would, because they've got a vast range of products. Do you think the retail price of the full size of £24 is good? I honestly do think it's a good retail price for the product. Which factors most influence your purchase decisions? Again, friend and family recommendations, big for me. Blogger recommendations and advertising and product quality. Again, I've earned 50p. I'm now going to write a review to earn 25p. Have you purchased a limited edition Glossybox before? Yes. Did you purchase the Mother's Day limited edition for yourself or someone else? It was a treat for myself. Which of the brands inside the Mother's Day box was your favourite? Mine was the E-Cooking, Elemis, Sanctuary Spa, Yankee Candle, Molten Brown. So, which of these products in your Mother's limited edition box would you go on to repurchase? So, Cleansing Balm, definitely. The Décolletage Cream, Mist, Yankee Candle. So you just pick what you liked at the box. How did you learn about the Mother's Day limited edition? Well, it was all over the Glossybox website, Glossybox social media. I'll say Glossybox social media because that's where it formerly really was. On the scale of 1 to 5, how much did you love the Mother's Day box? I absolutely adored it. On the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the design of the box? It was beautiful. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the mix of products in the box? Perfect product mix. Do you think the Mother's Day limited edition box was good value for money? Yes. Does the person who received the Mother's Day box use social media? I do. Submit. And then you can also write a review on completing the review of that one product and the survey. I earned 75p and it literally took me less than 5 minutes. On doing the review of and surveys of the Mother's Day box, I did 11 in total, so 11 surveys and 11 reviews. And in total, I earned £7 from this. £7 to go spend on anything I wish across the Glossybox website, on their merch, on their skincare, or on Look Fantastic to get my favourite products. That is insane. So after just reviewing that, I earned £7. I am off to Look Fantastic potentially to buy my favourite foundation by NYX. Or I might actually grab myself some Glossybox skincare, which I can spend the credits on. So I'm going to have a nice little look and I'm so excited.